आता कळणाच गेले काय करू काय नाही.
We are presenting the company named Dust Zero Solar LLP, and basically the company is based on solar cleaning and solar consultancy, in which we are providing basically cleaning services and consultancy services, and also how to maintain solar panels for related activities. Now he will tell problems about solar.
So hello everyone, good morning. Good morning respected trainer. So I'll be talking about the problem statements faced by the consumers. So first of all, you all must be knowing that I'll give an example. For installing a 3 kilowatt solar plant, we require 1,80,000 rupees cost. Out of that, 80,000 government gives subsidy, which reduces the cost to almost 45%. And despite investing this much huge amount of money, 90% of consumers are unaware about the maintenance part, that they also have to maintain it like professionally. They do local, they contact their local cleaners and all, but it requires professional cleaning. And also the customers are majorly unaware about the technical know-how and all the stuff. And yes, also the installers themselves are not aware about the maintenance part. So how will they educate the consumers? And that creates a lack of awareness among both of the installers as well as the consumers. And yes, not taking proper care will lead to decreasing the efficiency by almost 15 to 20%, and which may reduce the life of the solar to almost 4 to 5 years. Okay, thank you.
So our company vision is to be most trusted partners in a complete area where we are present, to provide us services that everyone is going to trust on us for maintaining their solar panels.
And our mission is to protect the investment of you all guys who are investing in us, and also who the persons who are like owning solar panels. Our mission is to not waste of their investment. We will improve their solar panel efficiency like that, and also we increase the efficiency. We increase long-term consultancy services, and also giving them proper consultancy. We have also consultant here, so he'll talk later, and that's our mission basically.
Hello everyone, good morning ma'am. So we are all batchmates studying for MBA at TIME Ahmedabad. There we recognize the problem in the solar industry where most people are installing solar panels but are not maintaining them properly, and hence they are getting reduced returns on their investments. Therefore we decided to start this startup and brought on board and consultant Mr. Gopal with an experience of more than 10 years in this field.
Yes.
So now I am going to explain why. Everyone asked question one is why you open the startup. What is the reason? So the basically reason is that that India is shifting towards solar energy fastly, quickly, adapting, and dust in Maharashtra also like increased lots of. That's why, and people like make investment but do not maintain their solar panels. And the interesting thing is that when light layer in only light layer in solar panel reduces your 15 to 13% efficiency, and due to this your electricity also get less and generate less, and also your money also get lost, because guys you lost the opportunity, like the efficiency you need is not getting. That's why it is also drawback. That's why our company we notice that thing, that yes, at that point of time people are investing lakhs on solars but they are not getting that much outcome, and that's why we make the solar cleaning company and consultancy, so that guide people that if you are investing in solar panels, then like maintain it also, otherwise it is not going to give you the benefit which is potential to give. That's all.
just move to the next aspect. That is where this solar maintenance shall be applicable. Mostly this will be useful for highly polluted zones such as highway, construction sites, and many more things. And off-grid installations and government project. Obviously रोड से लेकर घर तक सब कोई मेंटेनेंस चाहिए गवर्नमेंट के लिए. तो school, hospitals, government offices, they need green energy quota, need audit maintenance report too. So therefore they should use solar maintenance.
So when our company founded and started, so in the last year we started our company. So currently it's a fourth quarter. In second quarter itself we were in a break even. So from the second quarter onwards we are profitable in the industry. We are the only one industry who is profitable in just 2 quarters. Then four factors: specific, measurable, attainable, and time bound. So if you ask about the specific purpose of our company, that there is only 2 things which we provide specifically. One is cleaning services for a rooftop solar, and second is applications which are required for the maintenance of a solar. Second is measurable. All the factors which are providing to you related to the financial are measurable in terms of revenue, profitability, and all EBITDA level also. Then third one is attainable. Whatever we are forecasting is attainable from our perspective. We have such a reasons and such a reasons and solution also that we can prove it to you that we can attain our forecasted figures. That's it.
Who are our clients? Let's see. Homeowners, they always require electricity, and homeowners are the primary users of our commercial areas. Commercial areas require major repair and maintenance. Next one is utility scale solar farms. As you know, the dust over the farms are 4 times of normal areas and all. So we require solar maintenance there too. EPC contractors and all. By partnering up with them, we can have a major market share over there. These are our clients.
We have also created our website.
So,
Zero Solar.
basically in this website, any client want to
Customer first have to log in with their name, mobile number,
login. Then there is a book
book a cleaning, get a free. We are providing free inspection service.
It is free inspection is only available for 100 people and first 100 customers, and there is also support option in also contacts are there, and here is about our company, that what we do. Our services like residential solar cleaning, commercial solar maintenance, and solar inspection. And what you guys have to know is book service. We clean professionally, you enjoy maximum output, and use the contact details. Whenever you need any consultancy or feedback, then you can do it. So book now. Before this, we charge price 1,000 rupees for first like checkup. We say first inspection, and we have annual plan also. In annual plan, we take 10,000 rupees per annum, and basically solar panel needs to clean in 15 to 30 days because it due to lot of dust in Maharashtra and also in industrial areas. So that's why the price is reasonable, guys, because if you take annual, then 2,000 rupees are off, and if you take monthly basis, then 1,000 rupees will be charged.
We offer a complete range of solar maintenance solution. First, we provide professional cleaning services to ensure you get optimum output, and preventive maintenance to avoid system failure. Second, inspection and maintenance for performance. Our products, we have also have DIY solutions for solar maintenance, where we can't use, we provide DIY solutions. Safety equipment, DIY cleaning solution, and customer guide. Target audience, our customers, residential, commercial, and institutions.
Let us come to the market size. Total addressable market here is $15 billion, which is a huge market size, whereas serviceable market in India is only about 1 to 2 billion. It's not much. Whereas serviceable obtainable market by us cannot be more than 10 to 15% overall. This is our overall market size.
Rules and regulations. India targets 500 gigawatt by 2030. Government is giving subsidy of ₹78,000 under PM Surya Ghar Yojana, and tax incentive and escalate depreciation for business support. PLI schemes support for domestic production and manufacturing. Next. Our future plan is automatic solar cleaning software, where we can clean our solar just in one click. Benefits of our benefits of solar maintenance: maximum solar output, higher return on investment, extended panel life that gives you warranty also, then stronger customer trust, job creation, and economic value.
So I'll be talking about the SWOT analysis. So first we're talking about the strengths. So in strengths we have a growing number of solar installations because people are more careful with their money nowadays. And secondly, we have a recurring revenue model as we offer maintenance services, and maintenance services almost occur a year or two, maybe in the difficulties we face. Thirdly, the low awareness amongst the customers and the installers, which also makes huge demand potential for us as they are not aware about the maintenance services. And secondly, talking about the weaknesses. Customers almost assume that solars require no maintenance, as I told you earlier only. Yes. And there's new brand to build trust, which is very difficult, and we are trying to establish ourselves as a trusted brand. Next, talking about the opportunities. There's a rapid growth in the energy sector nowadays, and government is also providing incentives. As I told you that almost 40 to 45% incentives they provide in the form of subsidies for installing solar plants. Then talking about the threats. As I told you, people trust their local cleaners more than brands. Now that is the situation currently. Then they prefer the local, as the market is highly unorganized, they prefer the local cleaners instead of us, and we aim to be the established brand just like Urban Club is doing right now.
Why do they prefer the local?
Sorry?
Why do they prefer the local?
I'll come. Okay, so that's it.
As they have installed from local vendors, they choose to